Before starting up Dreamweaver, I started up the web browser and brought up the web page. You should be looking at your web page. What I'm interested in is this guy right down here where it says the required pages. I clicked on it, and of course right now it's saying, oh no, we can't find it. Well, that's because we haven't created it. I want to make sure that I know the name of that particular file, which is going to be required.html. So I just did a Command C to copy all of that, and I'm going to minimize Firefox for the moment so I can start up Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is starting up. By now you know that if you can't find it on the dock, you can find Dreamweaver through your Spotlight. Okay, I'm going to close off the welcome screen. If you did not see a welcome screen, it's not a big problem. File, new. I'm creating a new blank page. It's going to be HTML, and layout is going to be none. Now over on doc type, what are my choices? The 1.0 transitional is probably okay for what we're going to do. We're not going to be putting anything really interesting on that particular page. And here it is. I have created my uh, page that I'm going to be working on. So I'm going to click on File, Save As, and I'm going to save this as the name of the file that we need to create, which is required.html. At least that's the name that I created. You may have given it a different name. I think I'll change the title to required, Q-I-R-E-D, pages for JRN 4440. Okay, I'm going to do a page modify, or modify page. I'm going to do this as HTML, and I'm going to set a background color. And I'm going to set a relatively light color. You may have a better choice of colors than what I have, and that's okay. And let's go ahead and put a title on this page. And I'm going to press the return key about 6 times. I'm going to make sure that I have lots of empty lines on this page just in case I need to go back and work with something. Alright, I'm going to highlight all of that. I think I will maybe make that an H1 size. Oh, that's nice and big. Let me see if I can do some sort of formatting up here. A line, I'm going to tell it I want it to be centered. And it did that. Just out of curiosity, is there any other items that I can work with? Nah, you know, this stuff looks pretty simple. Okay, I have my headline across the page. I have created this particular page. I'm going to do a Command S to save it one more time. And in the next video, we're going to start adding items on this particular page.